call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes, huh? What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't gonna do this video, man. I took a L on them satin shattered backboards. Man, I don't know. I'm thinking about going resale way for them. In that comment section below, let me know if you was lucky enough to cop the satin shattered backboards. I think the reason I took the L is because I wear 10.5 and size 12 for women was the biggest size, so I think those went out the gate right away. I really need y'all to help this channel grow. So if you're watching this, please hit the share button. Let somebody know, someone you think interested in sneakers or fashion in general. Let's get it out there, man. Let's get it going. And if you already been rocking with me, you already know how we start the channel off. It's the What's on Foot segment. So in that comment section below, after you like it, after you share it, after you hit that subscribe button,
this buzzer, listen to me.
I want you to write in the comment section below and tell me what you wore on foot when you saw this video. It's that simple. Today, I got on the Katrina 3s. Let's get into that. Catch me in the streets in that LI, doing my own stunts like JETER. Master P, no limits, only the sky. You know I got a thing big up on the side. Got flows like Dipset Cam. Better yet, Ride Kim with a fresh bid. Eminem, but the darker version. I keep the green in my eyes, shout to every sermon. I follow the blueprint, shouts to Jigger. I used to count figures to ain't no nigga. Dr. Dre told me how to be a young G. My mom deep, R.I.P. Prodigy. Rapping ain't dead, ask Jeezy. Snoop said that pimping ain't easy. Nas flow, if I rule the world tip, all lies on me. Tupac flick, I switch flows like I switch clothes. Yeah, so those are the Katrina 3s Jordans. In my last video, you check it out, I gave y'all all the bells and whistles with that. But it's a fire shoe, man. Classic, red and white, just like Jordan's supposed to be. Not too colorful. It's a good sneaker. It comes out Saturday, May 12th, so I got them early. If you want them, Foot Action, Foot Locker, Champs, all those good stores got them. Shouldn't be too hard to get. The Katrina 3s. That's what's on foot. Don't forget to go in that comment section below and tell me what you wore on foot today. Let's interact. Let's get it together. Now, a couple weeks ago on my last video, I gave y'all a preview of the 4 Jordans colorways of the ones that was coming out. We ain't know nothing about it then. Then I came back on the video and told you that the 4 colors stands for the best hands in the game, meaning poker. And we all know Jordan is a gambler. But he broke the colors down into his MVPs, his championships, his all-stars. Man, Jordan is a genius with that. But we had the yellow ochre, we had the blue moon, we had the clay green, and we had the red. I think they call it 6 ring. I forget what the red is called. Out of those 4, I really only wanted 2. And that was the yellow ochre and the clay green. The yellow ochre is only coming out in Europe and is yet to release, but it's supposed to come out May 9th. So when those come out, I will be getting them. I don't want to pay resale for them. So if you saw the title, we're here to talk about the clay green ones. Jordan kept it real, OG box. I'm starting to hate this Jordan 1 box. Either Jordan 1s are coming out too much or they need to switch the box, but something needs to happen. Anyway, let's check out the sneaker. They call me Notes, get rich is the set. A couple texts, toss them out, Jazzy Jeff. Bad boy like Puff or Mike Lowry. Staring in the clouds, I know mama proud of me. This is your clay green Jordan 1. Now at first look, it's okay sneaker. Nothing too fancy. I mean, the difference is it's the first time we seeing suede on the Jordan 1. Cause with the big dub bag for the shoestrings, this is a huge bag, man. The leather is not, it's not the best leather. Got your clay green, but even the swoosh is suede, so that's a plus. Out of a 10, I'm gonna go 7. It's a Jordan 1. It's not original colorway. The suede does push it up to a maybe 8, but other than that, I don't know. In that comment section below, out of them 4 colors, tell me which one y'all think was the must cop. I got the clay green because Blue Moon, I got over 4 pairs of Jordan 1s with blue in it, so that the Blue Moons was a no-go for me. And the yellow and red is Europe exclusive only, and they got pushed back to May 9th. So green was the only choice to really go with. And at $160, you cannot go wrong. So again, here go your clay green Jordan 1s. In that comment section below, let me know if y'all rock those, if y'all copped them, if y'all waiting, because they did sell out. All 4 pairs sold out, which is crazy. Jordan is bodying them this year, man. So let me know about that. Other than that, this weekend, we got the Katrina 3s, the sneakers I had on the What's on Foot segment. If I didn't have them already, they'd be a must cop for me. So I'm quite sure for most of you sneakerheads, it's a must cop. It's an iconic sneaker, dates back to 2005 when Katrina hit New Orleans. Plus New Orleans is in the playoffs this year. Go good with an AD jersey. You can't go wrong with the Katrina 3s. Other than that, you have the Jordan 11 lolz JETERs, and they look like this. Yeah. So, y'all know my motto if y'all been rolling with this channel. Jordan 11 lolz are for women and kids. I repeat, Jordan 11 lolz are for women and kids. But these JETER Jordan 11s right here is almost a must cop for me. Not only because they all suede, Yankees, Derek Jeter, New York dude. It's because the high top ones of these, which is right here, those high top Jordan JETER 11s is going for $40,000. And I think it's only like 20 pairs left. I mean, out there, period. It's only 20 pairs. $40,000. That's 40 tickets. That's 40 times 10. That's $40,000 for a sneaker. So I'm going to get these lows, and I'm going to be happy. Again, Jordan 11 lows are for women and kids, but these JETERs is close to a 9 for me on the must cop list, so I think I'm going to go for them. If you're looking for them, they come out May 14th. I think that's like a Monday, which is odd, but that's the day they coming out, the JETERs. I think they Champs exclusive and Sneakers app. So Foot Action, Foot Locker might not get these, but they're a must cop for me. Let me know what y'all think about them. Again, I can't stress it enough, man. I love getting behind this camera and talking to y'all, but help me out. Please subscribe, please share, please comment. Tell a friend, tell a friend. I mean, let's get it in. Sneaker Notes, get rich.
Look, man, when y'all leave, we still got to use this.
It's a whole lot of paper. It's a lot out here to go get. I need one that's a chaser. Yeah. A real damn that's chick. Hold it down.
I said let's get
crazy. But some moves in the set. If you're trying to
got another one,
baby, then everything lit. It's lit.
Notes. You know me, girl, I'm double cup.
Yeah.
This one's for the chicks with the double cups. Get rich in the building, you know what's up.
Yeah.
Violate, we knock the boat off your Nautica. House party at the crib, don't be late.
No.
My girl cut the grass, I watch for the snakes.
Yeah.
$1,000 shoes, no shoelace. Bitch, I'm ballin', I'ma need a knee brace. 1 time for my paid chicks. 2 times for my main chicks. 3 times if you getting money. Be anything, baby girl, but basic. Yeah, I'm classic like the AC.